It's the end of the year. You're most likely cleaning up your classroom, probably finding a lot of interesting little things on the floor. I want to tell you about a super cute game that you can create out of all these random things that you find on the floor. I'd recommend collecting these in a box of some kind all year long so you could play the game that I am now calling Lost and Found. It is super fun. Let me tell you how it works. This is how you play What is Lost. You have 13 objects in your container. Lay out at least 5 of them. The more you lay out, the harder the game is. And you ask your partner to take a look at what's on the table. Then you have them close their eyes. I hope you're looking. Close your eyes. And now you ask them, what is lost? They guess what's lost, and you show them if they were right. And then it's the partner's turn. Simple. This is how you play What is Found. Again, objects out on the table with a partner. Ask your partner to look at the objects carefully and then close their eyes. And now you ask the partner to identify what has been found. There's a new object on the table. Can they name it? There you go. The last thing I want to say about Lost and Found is that if you purchase a whole bunch of little, I think they call them jewelry bags on Amazon. I think I got 100 or 50 of them for like $12. If you've collected enough things, you can write up a cute little card. I might do one and put it in my bio. And you have a gift, an end of the year gift for your student.